Packaging engineering does design and implementation of the packaging from suppliers to DENSO location, and then also from DENSO to our customers. Packaging is important because our quality statement is customer satisfaction through quality products and services. And with packaging, we have to make sure that the products get to our customers or get to DENSO in the same conditions that they were produced. I work at DENSO because it's always been a very big company in the automotive industry. You look at your cars and your trucks, almost everything out there on the road today has some form of DENSO product in it. When I was in college, DENSO was always one of the great companies to work for, so it was great that I got the opportunity to work here.